boys and ladies, if there are ladies that watch my channel. Hello. Today we're going to Mooney's. It's Sunday, and he's about to get that KX60 slapped together. We're trying to press the crank in. Once they get that in, slap the motor together, drop it in, we should be able to ride it if everything goes well. So I'm gonna head over there, try to film the progress, throw in a hand if I can, help them get her dead. And yeah, we got some storms and a cold front coming this evening, so hopefully we can get it done before they get too far behind. But nonetheless, here we go. We're gonna do a little driving, get over there. He's only like 20 minutes away, and yeah, here we go. So we made it over to Mooney's, and look, dude, I just need to show up late because you're always working when I show up.
I know, I actually get my hands dirty. It's like,
so we're getting there, pressing some seals in. I guess they said they got to pull this bearing back out because the seal is supposed to go under it. That's all right. Hey, I mean,
you live and you learn.
You're truly not like building something if you don't have to take something back apart. True. Like at least one thing, take it back off and do it again.
Very true.
It's practice. Yeah, boy. I'd say that's in there.
Or I would say that's in there too.
So I brought them the old torch over. Said they need some heat.
Yes, sir.
To get this baby in here. So we're gonna get to that. I'm gonna try to help throw a hand as much as I can, and we'll see if we can't be riding. Yeah, we're gonna be efficient. See if we can't ride this bitch by the end of the day.
Where's some napkins at?
We got to cover sliding it in. Some of the best footage.
Just slid right in there.
Yep. That is ridiculous. This part of it's not too hot. It's bottomed out, dude.
Yeah. Awesome.
Dude, you don't even need that press thing. What do you mean?
We will. We will.
Oh,
pull the case.
Okay.
In there.
Together.
Yeah.
Dude.
That looks nice.
I've never seen that in action. Like that method works like no other. So basically, if you got some like pretty precision bearings or something to press in somewhere, whatever the receiving piece is, you get that hot. So we got the case hot, and then whatever the part that you're putting in, so say the bearing or whatever, you put in the freezer and you get it cold. So you have high heat and then extreme cold. Put them in there and they contract, and it's stupid. You seen it. He just puffed it right in.
That's what
Forgot about the shifting forks.
Does that have to be before the cranker?
Yeah. It can be, but right now, but we had it cold. So now it's gonna fucking heat up before we put this on.
John, you can't get that piece of grass out of it.
We'll get there. We'll get there. If y'all ever do this, there is a proper tool, believe it or not, and this is the proper tool for where we are. So you thread a little double-ended adapter onto the crank, and then you thread this on there, so when you tighten in it, it pushes the halves together.
Yeah.
Okay.
try to keep this dowel lined up. Oh, there it goes. Keep going.
Go ahead, go ahead.
Oh yeah, it's coming right on down. Dude, this is ape shit. Oh, we learning.
We are.
Mooney's nervous as fuck.
nervous
He
as
thinks he's
fuck.
about to snap this bolt
John,
off.
that's good.
Yeah, I think it's on there.
Yeah, you can rest of it tighten down by.
Torque the bolts down.
Yeah.
Alright, I'm gonna take this off.
No shit. What goes right here?
Oh, damn it, Jordan. Son of a bitch.
It's a little rubber wiring.
God dang it.
Forgot
The
all
stator
about
wire.
I came up with this
that. And
idea.
I drilled the hole,
I
damn
came
it.
up with this idea.
I drilled the
Because I
hole.
was the one who thought about buying that, and then I was able to.
No, because you were over there looking through the book, and I was
No,
like,
remember?
Dad, come here.
I told you, I said we need one.
Oh
like,
yeah. Well, I found the part.
Yeah.
Axle,
I was like,
Phil, stop.
And then I.
Stop.
There it is, boys.
Alright, so we did forget to put this little, well, I guess this is probably a vent. It's probably a crankcase vent or
Yeah.
something. We'll figure it out when we get it together, but it's kind of ate up a little bit.
You can put a new hose on
Yeah.
there.
Yeah.
I was gonna say that
Oh,
hose
yeah,
will
you
rip
can.
Off, yeah.
Easy peasy. Anyways, we got that in there, pulled the case just enough, slide that on, got it in, pressed it back together. Easy peasy.
Hey, y'all don't want to spend money. Maglite, all thread, some washers. Little.
You spent your whole, what, 15 bucks at Lowe's and then pulled your
Yeah.
old granny's
And what'd you say?
Maglite
You looked
apart?
up these parts, didn't you?
Oh, they want $100
$100 something dollars for this.
Like 140.
Yeah. Or you can just call Mooney and I'll charge you 150 to
Hey,
put it in.
hey, bro, just go to Lowe's and start putting a whole bunch of those together and put it in a
Start
box and
selling
selling it.
them.
Yep,
Yeah.
MattyXBuilds.com.
Yeah, there we
Come
go.
buy you a freaking case press.
Hell yeah.
$60.
60 bucks.
Oh,
Oh,
Christ.
well, we'll get somebody to machine us some sleeves so we don't have to
Sleeves,
take
yeah.
apart the Maglites. Those are relics. You can't buy those no more. But, all right, boys. Well, we got the case pressed together. Got some screws to torque down.
Throw a top end in it.
Top end, clutch, a couple other things, little things. Making progress, baby. All right,
Got the
let's
biggest
keep.
part done.
Yeah, the biggest stressful part.
Yeah, biggest stressful part.
All right,
is
well,
done.
let's keep it pushing, baby. Doing what we do best, stealing parts off of old crusty ass motors, and
I mean, it's the same fucking thing.
yeah.
There's
We got a little
nobody
washer sleeve dilemma
Did you have a picture
on
of that
the
one out?
chain sprocket, the front sprocket. So they're checking that out, comparing it to the old motor, seeing if they can figure out what's going on. And then as for me, this is the frame he's gonna be using, so I'm gonna peel this crusty old dry rotted wheel off of here, and it works out because his brake cable's got a screw snapped off in it. And the other frame they got has a fresh tire on it. It's pretty nice and knobby. It looks pretty fresh. And then this brake cable actually has the clamps and stuff on it. So, win-win. Peel this one off, peel that one off, switch them around. Good to go. Little update, we're cruising along, we're getting there. Let's see how much we can get done. Let's go. Alright guys, so the weather changed a little bit. The cold front definitely came through, and we're under a freaking persimmon tree. And yeah, it's called a persimmon tree. Those are persimmons. And oh, there you go. If y'all didn't know, this is what falls out of a persimmon tree in the fall. As you can see, all 10,000 of them here. And the wind got to shaking that tree, and them bitches started flying. Hey, they said it was gonna hail. It might not really be hailing, but you'll think it was.
It is here.
But anyways, we moved. There's a bug on the damn.
Damn camera?
Yeah, there's a spider crawling across the lens. What the hell?
Motherfucker.
But yeah, we posted up shop inside. Made it work. The boys about got the motor. Well, shit, it is together now.
It is together.
He's tightening up some
No,
screws.
that's the wrong bolt.
He's gonna pull them out and strip a couple
Never
out.
mind that.
I told you, knucklehead, they all should fit down there the same size.
Oops. Oops. But anyways, it about got the motor together. I tried to get the frame prepped up as much as I could.
Alright, boys and girls. As you can see, your video camera guy is too busy on his phone. Yeah. But there's old Phil. I'm not even been on camera much. He's a little camera shy.
I'm not Phil. Nowhere close.
We're about to put the old piston in. We got the motor all put together. Dad's about to show us how to do a piston change and
Uh-oh.
damn, he's blocking the camera. He's not a very good
He's
camera.
bobbing and weaving.
Yeah, he's like, fuck this camera thing.
Trying to slap the shit together.
He's like, fuck that.
Alrighty.
Oh, if y'all need any motor blocks made, hit us up. We got you. Alright guys, we had a little mishap. We torqued something too tight, but we went by the book. Did we not?
We did.
We went by the book. If Matt read the book right. How, you got the air on the right place?
Nope.
Yeah, you do.
Well, you ask.
You know that?
He can do it.
Hey, this one, have you ever seen a piston that has a B on the back of it for back? Because you know how it has an arrow on it? This piston actually has a B on it.
I thought it was for blow up.
Blow up? Yeah, it might be. It might be.
Crazy.
No doubt.
It's not, but he says he can do it pretty quick, so.
Oh, that don't mean going hauling ass.
I'm not saying all that. I'm just saying do it normal. I want to see how fast you can do it.
These are the pain in the ass. Whew, I don't even know what I'm going to use right now for him.
Needle nose.
Yeah, I know. I was saying,
I think I've seen a pair other on the left side.
And on the next episode, we spend 30 minutes trying to find needle nose. I'm not gonna lie, you look like a fucking hardcore mechanic right now.
You got the form, you got the fucking
I know, you're
glasses.
like dilling down, like here.
Is this a new sprocket?
I wouldn't say new.
Not new, but it's pretty.
Looks a little hogged out.
Well, look at the. If I could find the old sprocket, you would be like, okay, this one is.
Well, we know Mooney's good at snapping them bitches, so.
That was not welded on though, so it was good.
Well, I didn't weld the one that broke off. That was the problem. The one that's welded is right here.
What that is? It's somewhere in there.
I need to get that back tire over here, so next time I'm over here, I can hog that
You
bitch
could
around.
yeah. I wanna. It'll probably start first kick too.
Oh,
I
you know it.
guarantee
You know it.
Do I want to try? No, I don't.
I think that might be yours.
Oh.
Oh.
Oh, yeah, right there.
Yeah, you pulled your tag.
Yeah.
Hey.
All right, so boys,
We're back.
it didn't quite happen today, but that's all right. We got some pizza. We needed some food. Our brains were just not working. Got the throttle tube situation figured out. Throttle cable's right. Got the carburetor on. Motor's all slapped together. Shit, dude. I mean, it's pretty much there. Went ahead and slapped the motor in.
Not exactly.
I mean, it's not in, but so what we're gonna do is come back at it tomorrow, take another stab at it, and see if we can't get Mooney.
I promise y'all this will be started running tomorrow. Promise.
I heard it. Ooh.
It's not right. It needs adjusting, dude.
All right, boys. Well, like, subscribe, leave a comment, let us know what you're thinking, and yeah,
It's the same motor that came out of his dad.
I'm ready to come over tomorrow and hear old
I'm ready too.
fresh Mooney Racing KX60 fired up. Right on.
I don't know what's going on right now.
All right, y'all. Leave us some love. Share it with a friend. Get us some more bike guys in here. We don't have very many bike fans. So. Other than that, peace out. We'll see you later.